Introduce features highlight about generic portable air conditioners 10,000 BTU, 3-in-1 AC unit with fan and dehumidifier. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. In one portable air conditioner, the latest 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner integrates fan, air cooler, and humidifier to meet your different needs. Enjoy greater cooling flexibility with 2 different fan speeds and cooling modes, while dehumidification mode removes up to 60 pints of moisture per day, removing excess moisture from the air. Keep your room cool RV and comfortable. Our air conditioner portable come with a 24-hour timer that can be set via electronic controls on the LED display to keep your room cool anytime before you go home, or turn off when you go to bed. Meanwhile, the Smart Sleep mode goes one step further, with slowly adjust the temperature and fan speed. And a low noise mode that stays at 56 decibel to keep you comfortable at night while saving you energy and money. Easy mobility and installation. Mobility is quick and easy, you can carry it anywhere using the handle, and with 360 degrees wheels. You can effortlessly push portable AC air conditioner to slide across the floor to any room. No additional tools are required for assembly, and the installation instructions are simple enough that anyone can do it. This portable AC unit has the function of rapid cooling. It can cool a room up to 300 square feet from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 62 degrees Fahrenheit within a short period. Keep your room cool and comfortable. 2,600 watt cooling capacity, 2.6 EER, only 1 kilowatt of electricity per hour, energy saving and high efficiency. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon.com. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.